This is Basesekaza David from Merere Community Vocation Training Center. I want to talk about how this engine operates, how how we have how we have been doing this for you to see how the engine is running. So first of all, you need to have this battery. Uh, After having this battery, we have tried to connect this battery to. So we have this starter motor. When we connected these batteries, this starter motor has the pinion gears. So the pinion gears in the starter motor came and meshed with the flywheel. After meshing with the flywheel, so it's closed with this bare housing. You cannot see it. When it has meshed with the engine flywheel, so it cranked or it started running or driving the flywheel. So that's why you have been seeing after the flywheel starts to run, we shall see this distributor. It will start distributing current, or we shall start these plugs. As you can see here, let me disconnect and you see these are the plugs, sparking plugs. When you try to connect, these are the high tension cables which delivers current to these sparking plugs. So after cranking the engine, this distributor, it will distribute current to these sparking plugs, and after these sparking plugs receive the current, we shall start to see that the sparking plug will produce a strong spark which will ignite the mixture from this carburetor. So when you see this engine running, means after this distributor producing or sends or supply a strong current to these plugs, the plug will produce a strong spark that will ignite the mixture. Which mixture? The air fuel mixture or the air petrol mixture. It will ignite the mixture which is being produced or which is being mixed with this carburetor. So that's why you will see we have strokes in this engine. Have the intake stroke, compression, power and exhaust. How? So when these are the valves which I'm going to use. These valves have intake, have different valves, intake valve and exhaust. After the intake valve opens, we shall see that this mixture will enter into this engine cylinder. After this mixture entering, that is the intake stroke, we shall see compression stroke. We shall start seeing that the engine piston will start moving upwards to compress that entered mixture, the watch mixture, air or fuel mixture. After being compressed, that mixture being compressed, highly compressed, we shall see that we shall have this power stroke. Which power stroke? This sparking plug will receive current from this distributor through this high tension cable. So a sparking plug will receive current and produce a strong spark which will ignite the highly compressed mixture. So the spark will ignite that mixture where we shall see the power stroke. The power stroke, due to the pressure created after burning of that mixture, we shall see that the piston will be forced to move downwards due to that force of pressure created after burning or occurring. When that mixture is burnt, that pressure will force that, it's a crankshaft, which is where the piston are being mounted. That pressure will force the pistons to move downwards, like they will be running like this. I don't know, there's no way I can show it to you, but that's the way how it will be moving up and down, up and down. After that power stroke, we shall go to exhaust or exhaust stroke, where we shall see as I told you, these valves contain the intake valve and the exhaust valve. Shall be seeing that during exhaust valve, that piston will move upwards. While moving upwards, it will be chasing out those burnt gases in the cylinder through this exhaust valve. So we shall see that the exhaust or burnt gases will move out through the exhaust valve. So that's how the engine runs, it runs in strokes. One first is intake stroke, completion stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke.
So
That's what I had for you.
so adding something. So the guy has talked about the strokes. The power stroke is the stroke that which maintain engine to run. That power stroke, that is the stroke which maintain vehicle to move from one place to another. Because power stroke, where we are seeing that stroke, where we see the mixtures of fuel and air ignited or fired in the cylinder. So it is for power stroke which maintain engine to run or idle during idling. That is.